What if snowboarding on Earth was just practice for the ultimate challenge? Sarah thought she knew extreme conditions when she booked snowboard lessons in Vladivostok, Russia's frozen edge. The instructor warned her about Siberian weather, but she wanted to train in the world's harshest conditions. Then the blizzard hit. Winds reached 100 miles per hour in minutes. Complete whiteout. Snow so thick she couldn't see her own hands. Separated from her group, she fell into deep powder and couldn't get back up. The weight of accumulating snow pinned her down, still strapped to her board. Snow filled her mouth and nose as hypothermia set in. She was being buried alive. Search and rescue found her with avalanche probes just minutes before asphyxiation. That terrifying experience changed everything. Sarah realized if she could survive Earth's worst conditions, she could design training for anywhere. Today, she develops survival programs for extreme environments, because sometimes the deadliest training leads to the greatest breakthroughs.